Hey class, I'm Mr. Coursey, and I'll be your teacher this year. Welcome to your first day in Mr. Coursey's Advanced Audio Video Production or Practicum class. I'm very excited to be your instructor this year and hope that you will have a worthwhile, fun, and fulfilling year in this class. Before I get to know you, let me tell you a little bit about me. I basically consider myself an introvert. Not exactly shy, but I tend to naturally keep to myself often. I do enjoy getting to know my students and discussing various topics, so please always feel free to initiate conversations with me. Just like you, I was raised in Mesquite. I attended Mesquite ISD schools from kindergarten through high school, finishing my secondary education at North Mesquite High School. Some of the high school activities I participated in were varsity football, where I played center, and I also competed in powerlifting. It wasn't until I was a freshman at Eastfield Community College that I discovered my love for technology. Like many students, my education wasn't a huge priority to me until college. I was determined to continue moving forward in life and find myself in a better place than the year before. Upon finishing my studies at Eastfield, I had earned an Associates of Applied Science in Computer Information Systems and also an Associates of Arts and Sciences in Business. Then I earned a Bachelor of Business Administration in Strategic Management at the University of North Texas. One of my proudest accomplishments was paying for my entire education up to this point by myself with zero debt. A few years later, I earned my postgraduate's degree with a Master's of Science in Learning Technology and Information Systems with a focus on media and technology at Texas A&M University Commerce. In addition, I have earned various industry certifications. I currently live in Sunnyvale, Texas with my family. I have been married to my wife, Kathy, since 2003, and we have 3 children. Our daughter, Simone, is a 2018 graduate from Texas A&M University and lives in Austin with her husband, James, and our granddaughters, Nova and Violet. Our oldest son, Garrett, graduated from Sunnyvale High School and is now attending college in Austin and working in the real estate industry. Connor, our youngest, is a student at Sunnyvale High School and is on the soccer team. My way of life is to work hard and play hard. I enjoy activities such as traveling with family to various places that I've always wanted to visit, attending comic conventions to see my favorite celebrities, creating YouTube videos for my various channels, and improving my homemade Predator costume. My philosophy in teaching is to help students reach their full potential. We live in a society of division that perpetuates a sense of victimhood and hopelessness more often than promoting a well-developed sense of self-accountability and optimism towards using available resources for achieving goals and reaching one's full potential through hard work and education. I want every student to know their value and never settle for less than what they deserve. Everyone is welcome here and will be treated with dignity and respect by all in Mr. Coursey's classroom. One of the many joys I have as being a teacher is being a sponsor of STEM organizations, which allow students to challenge themselves, meet new people, travel to new places, make outstanding accomplishments, and compete against other students in similar programs from all over the nation. To get the most out of your experience and skills learned in this class, I strongly encourage students to be involved in the Technology Student Association and Business Professionals of America through our advanced AVP chapters at the TEC. There are various film and media competitive events that are related to course content and audio-video production. Teams that advance through regional and state levels will have the opportunity to travel out of state to compete at national conferences. Some of my most proudest moments as a teacher have been when students in my classes have won at state and national levels.
And first place from Texas, Mesquite High School.
Yes. Instead of hearing from me, here are a few past students using one or two words to describe Mr. Coursey.
Oh, to describe Mr. Coursey, I'd have to say he is a patient person, and he's a strict but not so strict person. He does have a temper, but it's only when you get on his nerves. But other than that, he's a chill teacher.
Mr. Coursey is funny and straightforward, doesn't sugarcoat anything.
It's fun but strict.
Great and funny.
Open sourced and very lenient.
Fun and disciplined.
It would be determined and a leader.
Fun and pushy.
Mr. Coursey is very strong-minded and determined to get you to do your work.
So I would describe Mr. Coursey as pretty relaxed and straightforward when we got to work on projects.
Strong-minded and creative.
Funny and strict.
Mr. Coursey's really understanding and he really pushes you. And he's a fun teacher. He's into the stuff that you're into. He's not like a regular teacher like Star Wars, South Park. Yeah.
In conclusion, I look forward to having a productive and memorable year with you all and hope I can help you reach your highest potential and make a positive impact on each of your lives. Let's all do our best work and have a great year.
Hey class, if you like this video, please click like below and subscribe to this channel. Also, like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.